Most people who sign up for GoHighLevel use about 3% of it. They build a funnel, send a few emails, and never touch the features that actually make money. So in this video, I'm going to teach you 97% of GoHighLevel in under 20 minutes. We'll go through 16 features, starting with the basics every beginner needs to know and ending with the AI features I use to run hundreds of client accounts. And I'm not just going to tell you about them. I'll show you every single one working inside real accounts with real businesses. Now, before we jump in, let me show you why I'm the right person to teach this. I run a social media marketing agency, and over the last 12 months, our clients have paid us a little over $5 million. Let me pull up my payment processor and refresh it live so you know it's real. There it is, over $5 million in the last 12 months from roughly 350 active clients paying us around $1,000 a month each. I do this in every video because too many people on YouTube teach software they've never used to make real money. And almost everything my agency does runs through GoHighLevel. So let's get into it. Chapter 1, the dashboard. This is your home base and everything lives in one menu on the left side. Conversations holds every message from every channel. So text, emails, DMs, web chats, all in one inbox. Calendars handles your appointments. Contacts is your CRM. Opportunities shows your sales pipeline, and payments tracks your money. That one menu replaces 5 or 6 different tools that most businesses pay for separately. And you don't need to memorize any of this right now. Just know that everything I'm about to show you lives somewhere on that menu. Chapter 2, sub-accounts and snapshots. When you first sign up, you get an agency account. Think of that as your headquarters. From there, you create sub-accounts, and each one is its own complete system. One for each client or one for your own business. And here's the shortcut most beginners miss. A snapshot is a saved copy of an entire account. Every funnel, every workflow, every automation, every AI setup. Load one into a new sub-account and the whole system appears in about a minute. So the week of work you do for your first client becomes 1 minute of work for your second. I also save a snapshot before any big change, so I always have a backup if something breaks. Chapter 3, and this is where things get crazy. Ask AI can build an entire account from one prompt. I took a real HVAC company, gave Ask AI their website, and told it to set everything up. Watch this. It read their site, then built the sales pipeline, the custom fields, the booking calendar, branded email templates, a chatbot trained on their business, and a full week of designed social media posts, all from that one prompt. And when I wanted to change something, I didn't dig through menus, I just told it what to change, and it was done in about 10 seconds. This used to be days of setup work. Now it's a sentence. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform I use to run my entire agency and all of our clients. So if you haven't tried it out yet, you can use my link down in the description. And when you sign up with my link, you also get access to my community with over 100 video lessons, an AI prompt library with every prompt from this video, and other bonuses completely free. Chapter 4, AI memory. This is what decides whether the AI sounds like a robot or like the actual business. Watch what happens when I give Ask AI a lazy prompt, like write me 5 social media posts. It doesn't even know who the posts are for. So it guesses, picks one of my accounts on its own, and writes 5 plain text-only posts. Generic stuff that could have come from anybody. Now watch what happens when I feed it the business first. The website, the services, the customers, the brand colors. Same tool, same request, but now every post comes out designed and on brand. And the best part is Ask AI has memory, so you only do this once. It remembers the context in every chat after that. So the rule is simple. Don't build first. Feed the AI first. Chapter 5, meta prompting. Instead of writing the perfect prompt yourself, you make the AI write it. Here I told Ask AI, act as an elite Instagram strategist and graphic designer, research Atlas Auto Repair and the top auto repair posts, then write me the best prompt to paste back into you. And it wrote a master prompt way more detailed than anything I come up with on my own. The content mix, the brand colors, the hashtags, the calls to action, all of it. I keep these master prompts saved, so when I land a new client in a niche, I swap in their details and I'm generating a month of content in minutes. Chapter 6, scheduled tasks. Once you've got a prompt that works, you don't even run it yourself anymore. You tell Ask AI to run it on a schedule. Here I set one up to create 33 social media posts every Monday at 9 a.m. And now it just happens every single week without me touching it. You can even run tasks for multiple clients at the same time. Here's 3 different businesses getting their content created at once: an auto shop, a coffee shop, and a gym. This is the closest thing I've found to content that creates itself. Chapter 7, the client review loop. Everything the AI creates can go to your client for approval before it gets published. You generate a shareable link, your client opens it, and they approve or reject each post. And if they reject one with a note, watch this. I just tell Ask AI to review the rejected posts, correct them, and send them back. So the AI does 99% of the work, and a human still catches the 1% that would cause a problem. Clients love this because they stay in control without doing any of the work. Chapter 8, AI images and carousels. Ask AI doesn't just write posts, it designs them. Here, it researched the top performing carousels for dog groomers, then built a 5-slide branded carousel for a real mobile grooming business, pulling the exact colors from their website. Then it wrote the caption, added the hashtags, and scheduled the whole thing to the connected Instagram account. Research, design, caption, schedule, all in one chat window. Chapter 9, finding clients with AI. This is the one nobody expects. I asked Ask AI to find 25 dog grooming businesses in Atlanta that were already running ads, and it came back with a full table. Names, websites, phone numbers, emails, and it even flagged the hottest leads for me. Then I told it to create the contacts, build a cold outreach pipeline, and add everyone to the first stage. It ran 51 operations on its own. Then it researched each prospect's social media, wrote 12 personalized emails, and sent the first one for me. From empty account to a sent sales email without ever leaving the chat. Chapter 10, AI Studio. This is GoHighLevel's website builder where you describe what you want in plain English. Watch it clone a website in seconds, and it goes way beyond simple sites. Here's a full text web app it built with working calculators and a lead quiz that captures contact info and books appointments straight into the CRM. And when the AI gets something almost right, you don't reprompt. You just click the element and edit it directly. Change the button color, the font, the text, or swap in real photos from your media library. If you've ever paid a developer thousands of dollars for a website, this feature alone pays for the software. Chapter 11, Conversation AI. This is an AI employee that answers every message for you. Text, DMs, web chat, all of it. And training it takes minutes. Here I built a bot for a real med spa. I pointed it at their website and it learned their services and prices on its own. Now watch. I test it like a customer and ask how much a facial is. It answers with the real price in the brand's voice and offers to book the appointment. And if a customer ever asks for a human, there's a handoff setting so a real person can take over any conversation. Speed wins deals. This thing replies in seconds, 24 hours a day. Chapter 12, Voice AI. Same idea, but for phone calls. It's an AI receptionist that answers your calls, talks like a real person, and books appointments. And training it is almost too easy. I built one for a real garage door company. I didn't write pages of instructions. I just created a knowledge base, pasted in the business's website, and HighLevel crawled the site and trained the agent on it. Now let's call it. I'm going to tell it my garage door won't open. Listen to this.
Hey, you've reached Brookhaven Garage Door Repair. How can I help you today?
Hey, my garage door isn't opening properly, and I think a spring might be broken. I wanted to set up an appointment for someone to come out and take a look.
It answers instantly, and it hears the problem. Then watch what it does with the calendar.
All right, Sean, here are the earliest available times. Today, July 6th at 4 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. Or tomorrow, July 7th at 8 a.m., 10 a.m., or 12:30 p.m. Which of these works best for you?
I can do tomorrow at 12 p.m.
Just to confirm, the closest available slot tomorrow is at 12:30 p.m. Would you like to book that time?
Yes.
Those aren't made up times. Those are real openings from the connected calendar. And when I asked for a time that wasn't open, it didn't get confused. It offered me the closest available slot instead.
You're all set for tomorrow, July 7th at 12:30 p.m. A technician will come out to take a look at your garage door and the spring issue.
And just like that, the appointment is booked on the real calendar and confirmed back to me. That's not a person. That's an AI receptionist working 24 hours a day. Most local businesses miss calls every single day, and every missed call is money walking out the door. This catches all of them. Chapter 13, Review AI. This one runs your reputation on autopilot. It responds to reviews automatically on Google and Facebook, wherever they come in. Good reviews get thanked and bad ones get a calm, professional reply instead of an emotional one. And here's the bonus. Responding to reviews actually helps local SEO, so the business ranks higher while doing nothing. You set it up once and it just runs. Chapter 14, Workflows and AI Agents. This is the automation engine that connects everything you've seen so far. A workflow is just When this happens, do that. And now you can drop AI agents inside them. My favorite is comment to DM. Someone comments a keyword on your post and an AI agent starts a DM conversation, answers their questions, and captures the lead. Here's a real test. The whole conversation took 73 seconds and cost me about 4 cents. I also run a no-show recovery agent. When someone misses an appointment, it generates a fresh booking link, texts them to reschedule, and logs everything it did. And if building automation sounds scary, it shouldn't. You can literally tell the AI to build the workflow for you, like this appointment confirmation and reminder sequence, it made me. Money that used to leak out of the business recovered automatically. Chapter 15, white label. This is the nerdy one and it might be the biggest. For a single upgrade, you can put your own name and logo on this entire platform and sell it as your own software. Your clients log into your branded app. You set your own prices and the difference is your profit. There's a whole configurator built for this. This is how regular people turn GoHighLevel into their own software company without writing a line of code. Chapter 16, turning all of this into income. Everything you just saw is exactly what beginners package into a $500 a month social media service. You create the content with AI, your client approves it with that review link, it posts automatically, and the AI answers every lead that comes in, and it produces real results. Here's one client's appointment report from just 2 weeks. 162 appointments booked with the AI handling the conversations. Your time per client is maybe 30 to 45 minutes a week. Stack a handful of clients like that, and this stops being software you learned and becomes a business you run. So that's 97% of GoHighLevel in one video. And here's the good news. You don't need all 16 of these today. You just need to know they exist. Pick one, set it up this week, and you're already ahead of almost everyone else on this platform. Just leave a comment and let me know which one you're starting with. Now, coming up next, I have a brand new GoHighLevel tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform step by step and in way more detail. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.